Argonauts, good morning. It's AGA service day today and our AGA engineer is coming to service the AGA, and like all good engineers he generally will ask you to turn your AGA off. Now that gives me the opportunity to get cleaning. So I hope you can see, I've put a little bit of light here. But when you've got the lid off, this is a perfect opportunity. Let me try that side, if that makes it any better. Oh yes. Perfect opportunity to get this fat off here. Now it does take a bit of scraping, but it's an ideal time to do it, because rarely will you have the opportunity, because of the heat of the AGA, to do this. But it does, I suppose, for people who, like me, are a bit OCD. Not, not about everything else, but I am about the AGA, and I really do like to be able to get it clean. And this is one section that really drives me nuts. So, and obviously in behind as well. And I use an old linen napkin, which really helps clean things up. And you should be able to see now. Let me check. See? Nearly all the fat off, and it almost looks like new. So here is the lid, and I'm going to put it back on. I think an interesting thing to note is inside here is not enameled, so it will not come up as clean as the other sides. And I probably could have cleaned that a bit better, but I'm going to leave it at the minute. So, to get the lid back on, you need two hands, and you literally hold the lid and run the hook through. And that's basically it. You've got a couple of little places where, turn that round. So that's in. I haven't been able to get these little black spots off. Tried really hard, but as you can see, there's a considerable difference to that compared to this one, which I'm going to do. And obviously to put the hooks back in, it's very fiddly. So that's our little hooks. I'm going to set the camera down if I can. Take that out of the way. Let's see. Apologies if my thumb gets in the way. But you take the little clip and hold it like so. And then, sorry about the interruption, my darling wife just phoned me. And just push those clips in, and that is the clip in. And you know it's in properly because it can swivel very slightly. So I'll take another clip and put it on here, and just push it in. It's very hard to see this on the film, I'm sorry about that, but that's just the way it is. But it looks as though that clips in okay. And if it needs a slight, trying to keep the light on it here. Just make sure it's on and on. And the first thing we'll do is check. So, there you can see. As good a demonstration as any.